Roboto immediately going for some cubes. The mechanical stage reward pushing off these reds off their posts. Mr. Roboto getting as many of these greens as they can on the top far goal. The mechanical stage reward that just got all the reds off of the post for a 15-point bonus. Mr. Roboto getting ready to line up and score some more. As we move to 35 seconds left, we can now switch drivers. The mechanical stage reward going into that low zone for a full park. 35 seconds left, we must switch drivers. Mr. Roboto more than two is just going into that far goal to attempt to get that uniform goal bonus. Mr. Roboto makes it. Broken some cubes. Getting him in. With 10 seconds left, the mechanical stage reward has a full park. Mr. Roboto hits the partial park with 3 seconds.
Yeah, we are.
All right, for qualification match number 62, we have 62026C, the